Exploring decimals, a deep dive into place value. Hello, English language learners. Welcome back to our series on understanding decimals. Today, we're diving into an important and exciting topic: comparing decimals using place value. We'll learn how to figure out which decimal is larger, which one is smaller, and why it is so. The key to comparing decimals is understanding the place value of each digit in the number. A decimal number has two parts: the whole number part and the fractional part, separated by a decimal point. To the left of the decimal point, each digit represents whole numbers, and to the right of the decimal point, each digit represents parts of a whole. Let's break it down. The first place after the decimal point is the tenths place. The second place is the hundredths place. The third place is the thousandths place. And so on. Remember, as we move to the right in a decimal, the value of the position becomes smaller. Now that we understand place values in decimals, let's learn how to compare two decimals. Here are the steps. 1. Line up the decimals. This helps to compare each corresponding place value correctly. 2. Compare the whole numbers. If the whole numbers are different, the decimal with the larger whole number is greater. 3. Compare each place value. If the whole numbers are the same, we start from the tenths place and move to the right, comparing each digit. The first decimal number to have a higher digit value in the same place value is the larger number. 4. Fill in with zeros if necessary. If one decimal has more digits after the decimal point, you can add zeros to the shorter number to make them the same length. Let's consider a few examples. Comparing 0.8 and 0.65. Start with the tenths place. 8 in 0.8 is greater than 6 in 0.65, so 0.8 is greater than 0.65. Comparing 0.34 and 0.341. Here, we need to add a 0 to 0.34 to make it 0.340. Now compare each digit. They are the same until the thousandths place, where 0.341 is greater than 0.340. Remember, practice is the key to mastering this skill. And that's a wrap for today's lesson on comparing decimals using place value. You've done a fantastic job, and I'm confident that you're now better equipped to compare decimal numbers. Keep practicing, keep learning, and until next time, happy studying.